Abdicate, Mastering IELTS Vocabulary for Band 8.0. Imagine a king dramatically throwing down his crown and walking away from the throne. This powerful image perfectly captures the essence of our word for today, abdicate. If you're aiming for that coveted 8.0 band score in IELTS, mastering words like this can give you the edge you need. Let's dive into the intricacies of this fascinating term. Word type. Abdicate functions primarily as a verb. Meaning, to abdicate means to formally give up a position of power or responsibility, typically referring to a monarch renouncing their throne. In a broader sense, it can also mean to fail to fulfill a responsibility or to relinquish a duty. Word history. The term abdicate has its roots in Latin. It comes from the Latin word abdicatus, the past participle of abdicare, which means to disown or reject. The prefix ab means away or from, while dicere means to proclaim or dedicate. This etymology reflects the act of formally announcing one's departure from a position. Antonyms. Antonyms for abdicate include assume, accept, undertake, and embrace. Synonyms. Synonyms for abdicate include renounce, relinquish, surrender, step down, give up, and forsake. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use abdicate in various contexts. 1. After ruling for nearly 7 decades, the monarch decided to abdicate the throne in favor of her eldest son. 2. The CEO was pressured to abdicate his position following a series of financial scandals. 3. By refusing to make a decision, the manager effectively abdicated his responsibility to lead the team. 4. Some argue that parents who fail to discipline their children are abdicating their parental duties. Common errors in use. When using abdicate, be careful to avoid these common mistakes. First, remember that abdicate is typically used in formal contexts, especially when referring to positions of power or significant responsibilities. It would be inappropriate to say someone abdicated their role as a cashier, for instance. Second, abdicate is often confused with abdicate from. The correct usage is to abdicate a position or responsibility, not to abdicate from it. For example, say the king abdicated the throne, not the king abdicated from the throne. Lastly, while abdicate can be used figuratively, be cautious not to overuse it in casual situations, as it may come across as overly dramatic or pretentious. To wrap up, abdicate is a powerful word that conveys the formal relinquishment of authority or responsibility. Its Latin roots, precise meaning, and formal connotations make it a valuable addition to your IELTS vocabulary arsenal. Remember its proper usage, avoid common errors, and you'll be one step closer to achieving that band 8.0 score. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using abdicate with the confidence of a linguistic monarch.